Hi, I'm Christina Grozinger. I'm from Penn State Center for Pollinate Research, and the work that we do actually spans from genomics and transcriptomics up to landscape ecology. And so, as you all know, there's many things that are killing bees these days, ranging from viruses to varroa, to pesticides, loss of nutrition in the landscape due to lack of flowering plants, and also climate change. And we have spent a lot of time trying to sort of figure out exactly how these different things are hurting bees, but now we're sort of transitioning our research into trying to understand what tools we can give beekeepers to help them deal with these stressors, since a lot of these stressors are really outside of the beekeeper's control. So they're things that are happening on in the landscape around them. And so one of the projects that we've been working on recently is trying to map the surrounding landscape and translate that into information that is relevant to beekeepers. So information about the forage quality scores in the spring, summer, and fall, the pesticide exposure rates, and then also climatic factors that might be impacting bees. And so we have put this together into an online tool called Beescape, which right now is available for northern US, but is something that could be easily, I think, translated into many other regions as long as you have certain data sets available. And through this tool, people can basically drop a pin on the site where their apiary is and get information about the surrounding landscape quality. We're also hoping that people will give us information about their bees and their bee health, so that instead of just giving scores about whether or not you have low, medium, or high forage quality, we can actually give you predictions for how well your bees will do in those landscapes. Using some data that we already have from the Pennsylvania State Beekeepers Association, we've tried to develop models that are predictive for bee winter survival using climate factors, topography, management practices, and then also varroa control and forage and pesticide quality scores in the landscape. And using that information, we're able to build a model that then could predict with 70% accuracy whether or not those colonies would live or die over the winter. And so we're hoping to expand that out to include more traits and then include that ultimately in the Beescape site.